Okay, comes through the kitchen into the master bedroom. The carpet's out. We got some water issues here. I believe it's still wet. We know we got some issues with the shower over here, so we'll have to look at that. Over here by the window, a little cubby hole. Actually looks pretty good over here. There's the two closets. Clean them out and sweep them out. Come back in here into the master bathroom, sorry. Needs to be swept out, but I need to get that carpet out too. I'll rip it out when I pull the toilet out. And we walk in here into the kitchen living room area where all the carpet's been pulled out. See here the eating area, we got a lot of water damage over here under this window. I'm going to tear out that drywall and just see how bad the wood rot is underneath and then just deal with it accordingly. Over here we got all this water damage that's still wet. This is over near the front door. This subfloor is going to have to be replaced, but I think I know what the cause is. Can you see it goes all the way up the wall here? There are some 2x4s up there where they had a lean or a front porch on here that looks like they just bolted the 2x4s onto the roof but never sealed anything up. So I'll have to take those off and patch any holes and seal accordingly. I'm coming into the hallway. This is where the majority of the damage is. You can see here where the subfloor just starts to fall away through the hallway, and you can see which way the beams run, the floor joist. We've got carpet out of here, so just about all the subfloor, probably all the subfloor in this room is going to have to be replaced. And I'm pretty sure this rotten wood over here is going to have to be redone. Yep, you see it moving? Yep, that's got to be redone. You can see daylight through there, so there may be some rotten wood under there. We'll have to check it out and get the subfloor out. Coming here into the bathroom. I have not swept in here, but everything's been cleared out. Oh look, dirt dauber's nest right there in the line for the shower. Of course, all of that's got to be dealt with too. Over here, cobwebs. It's just fun stuff. If you get queasy easy, then don't do mobile homes, especially old ones. Okay, we come in here into the other bedroom. As you can see, we got some persistent water issues over here too. I have to figure that out. I think it might be the same issue as the floor over by the front door. I can't tell yet if it smells better in here or not because I just got acclimated to it. I'm gonna have to, next time I come back in here, I'll be able to tell. Lisa will be able to tell right away if it smells better because her nose is a lot more sensitive than mine. Okay, that's it for now. Hey, I just figured I'd give you an idea of what we find when we start digging in these mobile homes. This is the kitchen sink, kitchen cabinets. I pulled out the floor on this one just so I could clean out what's under here. I really wasn't sure what I'd find, but as you can see, some rodents were really nesting in here. Packed a lot of stuff. Now you know where the term pack rat comes from. You know why they call people who hoard pack rats. So I'm going to clean this out. very carefully with eye protection, and unfortunately, even though I hate wearing them stupid masks, but in this case, it's necessary. So I'll show you the after here shortly. Alright, I just cleaned out underneath the kitchen cabinet all the stuff, filled up the trash can with stuff. Still needs to be vacuumed out, the shop vac. As you can see, as we already knew, there were some repairs to be done down here. But most of the debris has been taken out. You see, this is what we have now, so it's much cleaner. I did notice that we have an electrical issue over here in the corner. This is where the wire comes out of the wall from the exterior wall here into this peninsula wall here. I think it goes to that outlet from that one. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe that's the case. Assuming that's true, I'll have to come up to this outlet, disconnect it, and then take it out, remove this outlet, and just pull the wire through, because I don't want to run new wire for it. I suspect we may just wind up taking this part of the wall down, but we haven't really decided yet. But we've got that done today. As you can see from this trail of water, I got the toilet removed with the carpet that was underneath it. Still don't understand why anybody ever thought it would be a good idea to put carpet in a bathroom, especially under a toilet. Coming back to the other end of the house, you can kind of see what I've pulled out of the house so far today. This is the first section of the subfloor I want to go ahead and replace, so at least we can walk through here, but not today. And then in here, the bathroom, toilet here has been removed in the tub, and I took this sheetrock off the back side of the shower because it was awful. There was all kinds of debris back here, pardon my language, but bug shit. We've got some wood up here that's been decaying over time, so I have to dig that out and replace that. You see where the tub was, where the drain was. Right now it's easy to get the drain because all I have to do is just go up under the house because there's no skirting or anything, and I can almost stand up there and reach and screw and unscrew it. You can kind of see daylight there, so that subfloor is definitely going to have to be replaced. So I'm probably going to have to replace this entire section under the tub. This area here between the toilet and the tub, that subfloor has got to be redone. But I think that's probably going to be it for today. I'm still waiting to see if this stuff here might dry out. I don't think it is because I couldn't find anything on the roof that might be the cause. And every time I walk by this door, I smell it. It's awful. When this front door gets replaced, it's going to smell better in here. This, I'm still waiting to see if this dries out. I think I patched the roof for it, but I'm not 100% sure. But I'll find out. Anyway, that's today's update.